Raise your hand if this has happened to you. You ask AI to write something, and it gives you a technically fine answer that sounds like it was written by a committee. That is not an AI problem. It's a context problem. Today, I'm going to fix it for you permanently. We are done with generic AI output after this video. I have 6 copy-paste templates for you. A context vault is a saved block of text, around 200 words, that you paste at the start of every AI conversation. Every new chat is a blank slate. AI has zero memory of your business or voice. It guesses and guesses average. Giving AI context provides a complete briefing in one paste, dropping your editing load from 50 to 70% to under 15%. Here are all 6 templates we are covering today: Freelancer, Founder, Creator, Corporate Pro, Sales Pro, and Student. One of these is built for you. We will go through each format and show you the type of AI output that gets dramatically better once you have it. All 6 templates are linked in the description as a free download. Let's start with Template 1. Template 1 is for freelancers. Look at the structure: who you are, who you serve, current focus, bottleneck, voice, and the key, your do not instructions. The do not field is underrated. One line in your vault eliminates mistakes AI makes, like adding emojis or corporate jargon. This power unlocks proposals, generating a draft in under 10 minutes that sounds like you wrote it from scratch. Templates 2 and 3 are for the founder and creator. The founder vault has one powerful field: the current metric. When AI knows the specific number you are moving this quarter, every strategy calibrates around that, not generic advice. The creator vault has the signature phrases field. Put 2 to 3 phrases you use in the vault, and the AI will start writing intros that sound unmistakably like you. For templates 4, 5, and 6, let's highlight the key field. For corporate pros, the stakeholders field allows AI to calibrate the formality per reader. For sales pros, the where we lose field makes competitive positioning razor sharp. For students, the I struggle most with field helps AI tutor you at the exact right level. We're coming up on how to build your own vault and the 5 power prompts that work with any vault. If none of the 6 templates fit, here's the master formula. Every effective context vault covers all 7 fields. I want to highlight the do not instructions. Telling the AI what to avoid carries disproportionate weight. Every generic phrase or template move that bothers you goes here. 1 line per annoyance. Watch them disappear from every output going forward. These are the 5 prompts I use most with context vaults. The pattern is always the same: vault first, then the prompt. The vault does the heavy lifting, so the prompt can be precise about the specific task. The one that surprises people most is the critique prompt. Critique my work as my most demanding client. The AI knows who your demanding client is, making the critique specific. All 5 prompts are in the free download linked in the description. This is the same prompt sent twice. Left side, no vault. Generic subject line, vague call request. This email has a minimal response rate. Right side, freelancer vault active. Specific pain point. Reference to a similar company, specific outcome, and a precise ask. The I did not get smarter, it got context. The vault gave it everything it needed, and the prompt was identical. Here's what 30 days of consistent vault usage looks like. Week 1, you notice less editing. Week 2, the AI connects your goals across different requests. It's answering it in the context of your situation. Week 3 is where it gets interesting. You stop starting from scratch and build on established context. And week 4, the vault needs updating. That means your goals evolved because you have been executing against them. That is the point. 3 myths I hear constantly. Myth 1, context embedded in a task request is treated as a background to the task. Context set at the start of a conversation sets the operating frame. Myth 2, the 200-word constraint is the most valuable part. If you cannot describe your situation clearly in 200 words, you don't have clarity. Myth 3, AI doesn't remember you between sessions. Every new chat is a blank slate. Here is what I want you to do before you close this tab. Step 1, click the link in the description. All 6 templates are there as a free download. Step 2, fill in your template completely. That is where the value is. Step 3, use it every single day for 7 days. By day 3, you'll notice a difference. By day 7, you'll never prompt without it again. Subscribe for next week. We're going through the role prompt master list.